Hi, in this video we are watching the first theme from the 10 for model 10. It is algebraic fractions and is theme number 1, simplifying fractions. It is easy. The first step is to factorize the components of this fraction. So the components would be here a multiplication of x times x, so we got the x squared, and x times 1, so we got only 1x. And the bottom stays the same. Why? Because x cannot be more simplified. So the next step is that we cancel the x with the x because both are alone. So our result, simplified fraction, would be only x plus 1. We're doing the same method for some of for the next two exercises, and this one would be a times a, and the things we should do that we must sum are minus 5 and plus 2. Why? Because sum would give me minus 3 and multiply gives minus 10. The same would be at the bottom, a times a, and sum number that gives me 5 and multiplied give me 6 would be 3 and 2. So we see that he repeats the same factors as in the other case, x and x. In this case, a plus 2 and a plus 2. So we cancel them and we are only left with a minus 5, a plus 3. And this is our final result. The next final result, the next exercise would be the, p squared. Simplified would be p times p, and summed and multiply should be minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 times 4 is 24, so and sum must give me minus 2. So, and the bottom is only stays the same. Our next step in here that we don't have a common denominator in the top and in the bottom is to put a negative sign outside the parentheses upwards. So would be 6 minus p in the bottom, it stays the same, but we add a minus, so it multiplies the operation, and we change signs so it is the same, because p minus p times minus would be only plus p, positive p, and the minus times the plus would be a negative, and it's the same mathematically talking. So we got our, this is reverse, is plus 6 minus p, it's the same, and it would be multiplied by the same, p plus 4. So we got already our the things we want: 6 minus p, 6 minus p, and p plus 4. So we cancel 6 minus p with the 6 minus p. We are left with the negative sign that would be now multiplying only p plus 4, and it is equal to minus p and minus 4. So that's our final.